U.S. Election 2024. Trump may be beholden to bond backers. Law analyst. Legal expert Andrew Weissman cautioned on Sunday that the former president could be beholden to the individuals responsible for posting the almost $92 million bond that Donald Trump placed on Friday to appeal the jury's decision in E. Jean Carroll's civil defamation case. As of January, Trump, the probable Republican candidate for president in 2024, had to pay $83.3 million to Carroll, a former Elle journalist who claimed that Trump had sexually assaulted her in a changing room at a department shop in the mid-1990s, thus destroying her reputation. In a separate case last year, a jury found Trump guilty of sexual abuse and defamation and awarded Carroll $5 million. As far as Trump is concerned, the cases were politically motivated and he denies any wrongdoing. On Friday, Trump posted a bail for $91.6 million. This amount included the $83.3 million judgment plus the statutory interest paid by the state of New York. Chubb Corporation's insurance subsidiary, the federal insurance company, served as the bond's security. Since then, rumors have circulated over the bond, demanding to know who at the federal insurance company agreed to back Trump's bond and why. Weissman, who was the primary prosecutor in special counsel Robert Mueller's investigation of Trump's 2016 campaign and the former chief counsel for the FBI, spoke on the former president's civil judgments in an interview airing Sunday on MSNBC's Inside with Jen Psaki. An outlaw politician would run on the platform of being both an outsider and a victim of civil judgments, which raised the question of who the candidate would ultimately answer to. Is he the kind of person who will be crafting policy while showing favoritism to funders? Asked Weissman. One simple way to look at it is that he has $450 million reasons to be differential if somebody else is putting up the money or co-signing. He later said, people casting ballots have a right to know the truth about who is really behind this. The news outlet has requested response from Trump's spokesperson via email. Judge Arthur Engoron imposed a civil fraud trial verdict, meaning the ex-president is liable for additional payments in New York. The New York civil fraud case that Trump was recently involved in resulted in a fine of almost $355 million plus interest. The case claimed that Trump, his adult sons Donald Jr. and Eric, as well as the Trump Organization and two executives of the firm, had inflated the value of their assets to obtain preferential bank loans and tax agreements. Attorney General Letitia James of New York filed the lawsuit against Trump, but he has maintained his innocence and said the investigation was politically motivated. He has also promised to challenge the decision. In the meantime, Trump has ties to Chubb's chairman and CEO, Evan Greenberg, who served on his advisory committee for trade policy and negotiations in 2018. There is some uncertainty regarding the collateral that Trump used to secure the bond from Chubb, according to a recent piece in The Washington Post. Chubb has already told Newsweek that they will not comment on client-specific information due to company policy. As part of their regular operations, our surety section offers appeal bonds. These bonds safeguard the rights of plaintiffs and defendants alike and are an integral aspect of the American justice system. As the plaintiff waits for the appeals procedure to reach a final resolution, this guarantee gives them peace of mind. Chubb explained that in order for the surety to issue the bond, the defendant must provide complete collateral. Appellate bonds absolve plaintiffs of the necessity to pursue payment from defendants by guaranteeing that they would receive damages upon confirmation of an award, the statement continued. As the plaintiff waits for the appeals procedure to reach a final resolution, this guarantee gives them peace of mind. The defendant fully collateralizes the surety's bond in return for the surety's services.